Have you ever wondered what makes Chili's Oldtimer burger so irresistible when there are so many burgers out there? Today, we're revealing why this Tex-Mex restaurant's burger has been a fan favorite since 1975. This just isn't any cheeseburger, it's one of Chili's most ordered items. The secret? Perfect simplicity with quality ingredients. You're going to need 1820 chuck for the perfect juicy patty, real cheddar cheese, brioche bun, yellow mustard, dill pickles, fresh tomato, shredded lettuce, butter, salt, and pepper. Start by toasting those brioche buns in butter till they're golden brown. Form your patties. Remember, 1820 chuck is the key to juicy perfection. Cook your patties in a cast iron skillet. No fancy grill is needed. Layer it like the pros. Mustard crisp pickles, fresh tomatoes, lettuce, and crown it with melted cheddar and that toasted brioche bun. Sometimes the simplest combinations make the best burgers, just quality ingredients done right. Tag us in your burger pics and subscribe for more restaurant favorites at home at copycat.com.